And so far this afternoon, things are at least getting a little bit drier out there. The bulk of the rainfall pushed through between roughly 9 and 11 o'clock this morning, and we are seeing a little bit more bright sky out there, though the clouds are continuing. 63 degrees, so we're also starting to warm things up a little bit here in Hagerstown at the moment. And again, there's what's left of the rainfall, the bulk of that well off to the north and east here this afternoon. There are still some lingering showers, especially along the Interstate 270 corridor right now, but those are very scattered and light in nature. And as we go throughout the rest of the afternoon, the trend is going to be for more dry time, just some chances for the scattered showers and maybe a storm or two as we move on. Rainfall totals so far through the morning hours across the area, right around a half an inch as you go down Interstate 81 through the Blue Ridge Mountains, and less so as you head off to the north and east, closer to a quarter of an inch most places in Maryland so far this afternoon. Temperatures have not really moved all that much from this morning, still in the upper 50s and lower 60s, but like I mentioned, as we get more dry time here this afternoon, these should bump back up into the middle and upper 60s. And visibilities have been down for the most part today, and we're likely to see some areas of fog now as we get through the rest of the day, and also especially tonight once we get those calm winds and also keep warmer temperatures around through the overnight hours. So lots of clouds around, scattered showers continuing through the rest of the day today. Conditions improving on Saturday. We're still going to have some cloud cover and a slight chance for some rainfall throughout the day, but more sunshine than not as we get through on your Saturday later in the afternoon. And then it's going to be warm and humid through the time we get through this holiday weekend and into next week as well. The unofficial start of summer is usually Memorial Day. It's going to start to feel like that as we get into next week. So future trackers showing those scattered showers that do linger around for us through the afternoon, but very sparse indeed. And then as we go later on this afternoon and evening, you see a few showers and maybe a storm or two developing on the backside of this system as it tracks its way off to the east. Things are rather quiet as we go through the overnight hours into your Saturday morning, and like I mentioned, there is that chance to see a few showers at times. The clouds will be out there, but we are going to see some sunshine mixing in as we go, especially into your Saturday afternoon and evening. Not turning out to be a bad day overall, but as we get back into your Sunday, there could be a little bit of return of some cloud cover with winds returning out of the east as we get into the second day of your holiday weekend. So just something to keep an eye out for. And rainfall the rest of the way here, we're likely only going to get maybe a quarter of an inch in most locations by the time we get into your Saturday evening. So the rest of your afternoon, again, just expect that chance for a few lingering scattered showers. Temperatures on the rise into the middle and upper 60s as we go later on into the day. And the rest of that 7-day forecast beyond Saturday, yeah, really no rainfall to speak of. And like I mentioned, warming temperatures and getting more humid into the 80s next week.